Okay, so that's my project. As you can see here, I used relative layout for every as a parent. It is it has layout width and height match parent, so that it takes all the screen. And in this I put image view, which is also match parent in layout width and height. And there you see some photo, some nice fractal, and it's center crop scale type. After this I put linear layout, and in this linear layout there are two text views. Why I did so? Because I wanted those text views, I wanted them to be, you see, like this, that they are centered vertically, horizontally, and they are also centered vertically. And well, that's why I've made them in two parts. The higher, the first text view is Ogarnijmy to, this is the first, and the second is Razem, and it's below. When I was trying to do this all in relative layout, I could take, you see here in linear layout, there's layout center in parent, true. Earlier it was in the first text, and the second text was using the first text view ID, and it was set layout bottom of the ID of this first text, and it was not centered. I mean, the first text was centered and the second was below, and it didn't look like centered. And I couldn't, if I would take the different, the one below would be in center, then the higher would be higher and it wouldn't be centered. So I've decided to make a linear layout and make it layout center in parent true, and then in this, and also orientation vertical, and in this I put those two texts, so now the center is somewhere between them, so they look like they are in center. I also used layout gravity in them, center horizontal, which makes them be in center horizontally in their parent, which is this linear layout. What else? The standard color white. I wasn't thinking anything else. Text size 48 SP. I've changed font family and gave padding for both of them.